Lastly, I will teach you some tricks. Let's go to our debugger again. Now, if you remember the system debugging on and off here, there's a tick here like update debugging. If you want to use update debugging, you need to click this button and press yes. So what this does, make you debug the codes in update task. Some functions or code blocks are just executed in update tasks and you can't normally debug them. For example, some of the exists that you need to write codes, make some checks or change the data, but you can't stop the code in that exit. You need to click this update debugging. Also, if you write your username specific breakpoint in your exit, update task exit, it will help you find it quickly. Because sometimes even if you create a breakpoint, like clicking here, it won't stop. So it will make sure that it will stop in your update debugging. But also you need this addition to this one, update debugging. And also here in the debugger tab, you can switch to classic debugger. This is an old debugger and it is opened in the same session. So what can you use this for? Actually, you can use this for big tables. Let me show you. Our datum is actually a table. And you see it's a table button here. When I double click it, you see it's 4 columns. But it can have more than 100 columns. So in the new debugger, it's very hard to find the desired column. So if you know the column name, you just write it here. You see, I write low and press enter. Now it has 2 columns with low, but it's just actually showing you that it doesn't have 2 low columns. So by writing its name, you just see the values in it and you don't need to find the column name in the long column line. And also you double click it here and you can change the value. But if you change the value and press enter or something like that, it just clears it. So if you change something, you need to press this button. Now it is changed. You see, value is changed. And the other column is not lost. Don't worry about it. Option is also here, but it's empty. Now I switch to new debugger. Also here in the new debugger, these will show you the form names and the program names that you are currently in and the line that your cursor is at. Now we are at the 56th line and in this program and in the selection screen form. And if you click this program, it will open a new session including your program. You can just directly go to that code if you want to make a change. Also, this system subrc is 0, meaning the line statement is executed successfully. And system topics is our table index, which is 1. The last red table index was 1. This shows you that. Now we all gone through everything in this above debugger. To sum up, now you know how to use the debugger. breakpoints, watch points, above stack is the most crucial part of the debugger. You can now easily set your watch points and find whatever data you like when you are debugging. I hope to see you in the next lecture.